Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday and it is a big clean day in this house.
Yep.
We've just been go so much the last few weeks that we just kind of let it go. Dylan's not naked, I promise.
Look at that tan line right there.
The one on my back. I hadn't even noticed till you took those pictures yesterday. Anyway, we made a list. We've started the laundry. We're gonna sweep and vacuum last. Right now we're gonna go tag team the bathroom. We need to dust. We really need to, oh, I forgot we had to do that. We have to go through all of our clothes. We need to build our kitchen island. Empty the AC, change the water filter. And then we just have a going list for things that we will need at the store.
Boom.
So let's go get after the bathroom. So I realized I just like stopped vlogging. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoopsies.
We're freaking on that.
We had some lunch and we showered and have been chilling, but right now I'm wrapping, or I'm gonna wrap my mom's birthday present because her birthday's on Monday. But this is the island. So I just threw that stuff on there right now because we have nowhere to put it, because I don't know if I mentioned, but we emptied everything out of these drawers because there's a weird smell coming out of there, so everything's just out of there right now until we figure that out. But we put it here, and then we just moved all of the little like hand towels and stuff in here, the lighter, matches, these are little skewer things, and then birthday candles. And I like it. Do you like it, babe? Babe? Do you like it?
I do like it.
Good.
A lot bigger than I thought it would have been, but
Yeah.
it's still gonna work.
So I'm gonna wrap my mom's gift right now. I think I showed it recently, this in like the last vlog, but it's just a little Kate Spade wristlet. It's really cute. So I guess I'll just wrap it in this box, and then we might go to the store because we made a big list of things we need. I know I always say that, like we might, or I think we're going to, and I just know we are.
We're gonna go to the store.
I don't know why I do that. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna play the dice game tonight. Just us. And we're gonna have hamburgers and hot dogs for dinner. Do you wanna see it, babe?
See the purse?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Except I wrapped it back up.
Huh?
What?
You know Jada Pinkett Smith?
Cheated on Will Smith?
She told him.
Wow.
Cheated on with some guy named August.
Look at it.
That's cute.
Isn't it? And look. Well, there's paper, but look how nice that is.
Oh, that is really just elegant.
What?
Eloquent? Elegant? I don't know.
Elegant?
Elegant, thank you. That's the word.
Why is it elegant?
I don't know. Stop asking me questions. I'm gonna stop this.
Cute. I want it now.
Just look at this sad face.
That's terrible. Why do people do that? How is she cheating in the middle of quarantine?
I don't think she cheated. I don't think it was like now.
Oh.
It was a while ago.
So, we went to Walmart. We got a mop. We got a carbon monoxide detector. Thank you. We got an extension cord, dish soap, you know, just real adult things. Nothing fun actually at all. I got a new, what's it called? Pepper spray. I did get birthday candles for my mom's cake. That's like literally the only exciting thing we got. But it's almost 5 o'clock already.
Yep.
So, oh, and we saw my dad.
Yep.
So we're gonna head home. And I don't know what else we're gonna do. Other than make dinner eventually.
Make burgers and dogs.
Mm-hmm. Probably play some dice.
I think I might put some jalapenos on my burger.
Yeah, Julia, so at Julia's on the 4th, she cut up jalapeno and onion and pickles.
Yeah.
And put it on a hot dog with spicy mustard. Oh, we didn't get spicy mustard.
Yeah, but
that's fine.
Don't we have spicy mustard at home?
Oh yeah, but we don't have Dijon. But yeah, she put all of that and get, oh, it was so good. And Dylan's gonna put it on a turkey burger. It's gonna be good. A little summer burger and dog moment. And then we really want to play that dice game, even though there's only 2 of us.
But I feel like it's still possible to play.
Yeah, I think you can still play.
I mean,
you're just rolling some dice.
We're just rolling dice trying to get to 10,000.
Yeah. But I'm gonna go because this wind's probably making it so you can't hear us. Summer feast tonight. Burgers. There's dogs over there. Jalapeno, onion, pickles, lettuce, corn.
You wash the lettuce?
Yeah. I made a margarita. Yummy, thanks babe.
Thank you.